Good afternoon. Adrian Amos here from Synergy Technical with another tip of the day. This one is actually our first user submission. I'm really pretty still excited about that. If you have questions that you'd like to see us address in the future, please feel free to hit me up at the email on the end of the video or reach out to us on social media. We always love to hear what your questions are and see if we can take a couple minutes to get a quick answer for you. So I am dealing with today, my question comes in about how do we know our users are staying productive while they're home with the coronavirus issues that we're dealing with in the world today? So as admins, we can tend to take maybe some slightly macular approaches to it, inappropriate approaches, if you will. We can look at it from a cloud app security perspective and say, hey, they're using all these apps. We don't really get good usage analytics off of it. And we can look at it from a Defender ATP perspective and tear down microscopically into the processes that are going on. The good news is there actually is an interface built right in the middle of all that. It's usage reports in Microsoft 365. It's mind-numbingly simple, but it's so easy to overlook. As admins, we tend to get just way too focused on the actual details. So here we are looking at my demo tenant. This is the one I take with me when I go and deliver CIEs and in-person events and all that kind of fun stuff. And you can see that, yes, as the coronavirus has taken hold, that number has come way down and the usage trends in my environment are way off. But I can see that my applications are being used and see that data is being generated, but I can't really see how that's trending except for right here. So if I want to see how things are actually going over time, the nice thing is there is actually a Power BI report built straight into this guy. I've got it all built in right here. If I flip over to it, I get an executive summary that shows me my usage. Now I can get into, this is showing me February, so it's a little bit behind right now, but that's okay. I can see that my numbers are within line for what I expect from a very small organization. I can see adoption rates. I can actually see adoption rates over time, how my enabled users, my active users, my returning users are functioning. I can see usage trends over time too. So I can track and see, hey, March looks like it's coming way down. Maybe we have a little bit of a problem. We can track this across communication. We can track this across collaboration. Then we can even dig into licensing and all that fun stuff that's right there. We can see, hey, our number of licenses are going up. We can track our applications, product usage is in here as well. And this is all a great way to look at our applications. Are we delivering the applications that our users need to be productive? Are there technologies that they're just not really engaged with? Maybe we should put a little bit more investment here, a little bit less investment there. But if we really feel like we need to go after it directly, we actually can also dig straight into specific applications. And unfortunately, in this one, because I haven't been doing a lot of live in-person events, these numbers are all zero, as you can see. But in your environment, once you produce this report and connect it to Power BI, you'll be actually able to see the number of times your users have engaged specifically with these technologies. So hopefully that's very helpful. This is built-in capabilities that all you have to do right now is activate the Power BI integration and go and light it up, and you'll be able to see what users are doing in your environment. Again, if you have any more questions, things you'd like us to chase down and help you figure out for yourselves, ask us. Love to hear from you. And if you have comments, questions, or concerns, love to hear that too. Thanks so much again, Adrian Amos. Have a great day.